Welcome to Saanvi's World. I am Saanvi. Today we're going to make banana milkshakes. First we're going to use bananas. Bananas have potassium in it. Here's some milk. Here are walnuts, almonds peeled and washed. And here are some dates soaked in milk so then they get soft. I have used walnuts. You could use any nuts of your choice, but walnuts are good for eyes, hair, and skin. I don't like to use sugar, so I use dates. So I took out the seeds and soaked them in milk. So now I have all the ingredients, and I explained them to you. Now here comes the fun part. Blend it.
Now I'm blending with a little bit of milk. And now I'm pouring and now I'm going to pour the rest of the milk in it and blend it again. And see how it kind of like swirls? That's how it looks like when it blends. And then now it's done. I'm pouring it in a cup. You could also serve it with something. So here it is.
It's very yummy, sweet, and healthy. Please subscribe to Saanvi's World. I hope you're doing this. If you have any questions and comments, please post them. Bye!